This video is to explain how to replace a ballast if you get a bad ballast. We're going to show you, here's the new ballast and the cover is on. I'm going to carefully take the cover off to expose all of the wiring. The timer is connected still at the top. You can either leave that or unplug it, depending on how you're situated. First step, in this situation, this ballast is controlling these lamps, and we're going to pretend that these lamps are not working at the moment. So the first thing you're going to do is cut the wires to this ballast only. Slowly twist out the wire. If the wire breaks in there, which I have seen, there's extra holes. Once all the wires are out, you will see this ballast is still hooked up here. Only cut the wires that are hooked to this ballast. Take out the wire out of the port as well. You'll notice a black and a white. At this point, the ballast is completely unwired from the bed. One screw, two screws, the ballast is free. When situating the ballast, you'll notice that the color, the yellow on the ballast, both of them on this side. When you put this ballast back, make sure that they're orientated the same way. Yellow on this side, not on the other. 220 volt bed would be red instead of yellow. So as you can see, the red is going to the side with the yellow. Red to the yellow. And placing in, make sure it locks into place. Give it a little tug. Red red to red, blue over here. Same thing, as you notice, this red went to the bottom, the blue went to the bottom. So these red will go to the second one. These blues will come to these second ones. Coming back to your black and white cords, you'll notice you have a white port. The white goes into the white, black into the black. At that point, you're done. Plug in your bed to test.